Dumelang ditsala, re a le amogela mo Setswana se monate. Leina la me ke Motheo. Gompieno re tlile go buisana ka mebala.
Hi friends, welcome back to another awesome episode of Setswana se monate. Today we will be talking about colors. Let's go! Red,
Khibidu,
black,
buntsho,
green,
tala,
blue,
pududu,
white,
bosweu,
yellow,
serolwana,
orange.
mmala wa namune.
It's quiz time! Friends, let's see how many of these colors you remember in Setswana. Tala,
Serolwana,
khibidu,
pududu.
and that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Bye friends.
Salang sentle ditsala.